Welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to quickly and easily buy cryptocurrencies on the OKEx exchange. If you want to create an account, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here where you can follow along and you will get $30 completely for free. To create an account, simply enter your details right here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look somewhat like this. The first thing we can do is that we can enable two-factor authentication. And to do that, we simply go up here to our profile and then click on security settings. Then we will get to this page, and down here we can choose an authenticator. In my case, I use the Google Authenticator. So you can just set that up and then you have a second security level for your account. Once you've done that, the next thing we can do is to verify our account. And to do that, we simply go up here to our profile again and then click on verification. As you can see, my profile is already verified and I have the level 1 completed. In your case, this blue button will also be here. Then you have to click on it, upload your ID and confirm your name, and then you're ready to go. Once you're done with that, we can now actually buy crypto on the platform, and we actually have two different options. First of all, we can buy crypto directly on the platform, for example, with our credit card. And the second option would be to deposit a cryptocurrency on the account, and then we can transfer this currency to another cryptocurrency on the exchange. I will show you the first option first. So to do that, we simply go up here on the left to buy and sell. Now we get to this page where we can say, okay, with what currency are we paying? So let's go, for example, for the US dollar, but you can of course also use euro or any other currency you want. Then you can choose the currency. In this case, we only have a few that you can buy directly with fiat money, but actually once you have it on your account, of course, you can switch it to any other currency. So that's no problem. In this case, let's just go for Bitcoin, for example, and let's say we want to buy, let's say $500 worth of Bitcoin. We can see at what price we're buying. And we can also get, if you use the link, this $10 reward for it on top of it. And once you buy with more than $100, and down here you can choose your payment method. So you can use a bank transfer. As you can see, there are many different options. In this case, let's say we have a Visa card, so we can select that. And now we can click on buy BTC. And now you get, for example, this offer right here, which seems to be the best offer. But if you click down here, you can see that you have many different options that you can use. All of them, you can see how much Bitcoin you're getting for it and at what price you're buying. So you can choose any of them. Actually, the process is different for each of them because this is actually a third-party service where you will, like a fiat gateway, where you can transfer your fiat money into the currency. But you will actually get the balance on this account right here. So this is just a third-party service. And then once you're done with that, you maybe have to enter some information and then you will get the Bitcoin amount or any other currency on the account right here. All right, so I will show you how to transfer this currency to another in just a bit. First, I want to show you how to actually deposit a cryptocurrency on the account. And to do that, we simply go up here on the right to our assets and then click on deposit. And now we can choose the currency we want to deposit. So as you can see, now we have many different options that you can, many different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit. Actually, in this case, let's just go for Tether. In this case, US dollar Tether, we can select the network. You also have different options here for each currency, what network you want to use. Of course, you can always use the official, for example, ERC20 network. But in this case, let's go for TRC20, which I used as well because the fees are much lower there. Let's click on continue. Then you will get the address right here. Here you can choose if you want to go to your funding or trading account. You can actually do that immediately to your trading account because you want to trade it anyways for another currency. Actually, if you are interested in leverage trading, you can check out the video right here on the right. This is a tutorial where I'll show you how to leverage trade cryptocurrencies on the OKEx exchange. All right, next up, once you're done with that, you can actually copy the address right here and then send a US dollar Tether over the Tron network to this or any other network that you used. Of course, you can also do that with Bitcoin or any other currency. Choose the, for example, official Bitcoin network. All right, and then you can copy this address and send Bitcoin to this address. Of course, you can always also check your balance on the account if you go up here to assets and then click on my assets. Then you will see all the assets that you have on your account. In this case, I have these bit more than 100 US dollar Tether. And if you go to your trading account, you can also see the balances listed up here. All right, next up, let's take a look at how to trade your currency for another. And to do that, we just go up here to markets. And then as you can see, you have many different options right here, all the currencies that you can trade. Of course, up here, you can also search for a currency. In this case, let's, for example, search for Doge. And actually, as you can see, we have baby Doge too. Nice currency. Let's go for baby Doge. Then we can click on trade right here. And then this trading window will open. Actually, this will work for any currency just the same. You can, of course, if you click on this right here, choose any other currency. As you can see, we are on the spot market. So these are all available currency pairs that you can use, whichever one you want. Of course, if you have, let's say, some small currency, you can always switch it first into US dollar tether by selling it. And then you go to the other currency and then you click just switch over to buy. And then like that, you can always transfer one currency over US dollar tether into another. In this case, let's stick with baby Doge, and here you can see the price chart, we can see the order book right here, and here on the right we can control what we want to do. All right, in this case we want to buy, then we can select our order type. Let's go for market in this case, because then we are buying directly immediately at the current market price. Here we can type in the amount of US dollar tether we want to invest. Here we can see our available balance, in this case these 110 US dollar. And with this slider, we can select how much percent. We can say, for example, 50%. Of course, we can type it in manually as well. But in this case, let's just go for 100%, which is, of course, all of it. And then all we have to do is click on Buy Baby Doge. Then our purchase is completed, and that's already it. Don't forget to create an account using the link from the video description to get the $30 completely for free. And if you have any questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.